Alright, with this video I wanted to talk to you about Google Docs and what some of the things that you can use Google Docs for. So one of the things I wanted to talk about is just any handout that you have created, that you've done in Word or something like that. If you want to make it a Google Doc, you can all of a sudden that handout will now you can now make that an interactive document that if you put on your website, students can dig deeper, and you can provide them with the tools that they need to dig deeper. And so let me give you an example here. I've got a document I created called about the road to revolution, and you can see it here. And so I want to, I handed this out in class, but I can then also put this on my website, and I can add more information that they can see. And that way they can dig deeper, or you can give them even an assignment to find more information, and you can direct them to your website to do that. So one of the things you can do, you'll notice actually often is you just kind of hover near the edge. It'll give you that opportunity to add a comment, and that's one of the simplest things to do. When you print it out, it's not going to print out with the comments, but it will, when you embed it on your website, it will have those comments visible. And so let's say I want to tell them, this is important because this is really important for a test. So you notice that it's highlighted. I highlighted it, and then when I click the comment button, it highlighted it and put it in a color. And so now I'm just going to type in what, very important for a test. So now they'll see, yeah, wait a second, this is really extra important. I need to pay close attention to this. So you can do that throughout your document, whether, and this can work in any subject. If it's in math and you've got some kind of worksheet that you've got particular problems, students have a problem with this, area. There's something they usually mess up on. You can warn them ahead of time. So there's any number of ways you can use this. Another way that you can do, another thing you can do is you can actually see I've already done it here. So the Proclamation of 1763. You want to put a video. Okay, so I have a video on the Proclamation of 1763, and it's actually on more than just that. So I'm going to go to my YouTube video that I've created, or whatever whatever your resource you have, and you get it to exactly the point you want. So I played it and listened to it, and got it to the point that I wanted, and then you click share, and you'll see it load. And right here you'll notice it says start at, and you click on that, and it'll start. The video will start at that spot. It changes the web address, so it starts it right there. I'm just going to copy that, go back to my Road to Revolution, highlight that, and hit link, and copy and paste that in. It's already the one that was there, but paste it in and hit apply. And now when somebody goes over that, they can click on it. It'll take them directly to that video talking about the Proclamation of 1763. That's another way you can make it interactive. Let's see, or give them more information than just the handout has. You can also link to more information. So let's say I want them to, I've given them a little bit about salutary neglect, but maybe I want them to know a little bit more. So where can I find this website? Encyclopedia Britannica. Copy that, go back to Road to Revolution, and highlight and link, and you'll notice it'll actually look up and give you suggestions. Often it is going to be Wikipedia, which it can be a good site in certain situations, but then you'll notice it also gave me the Britannica one. And so you click on that, apply, and there it is. And now that is also a link that they can follow and learn more about it. And so you can give them the handout, the paper handout, and it won't be as interactive, but you can also then put that information, if you do it in Google Drive or using Google Docs and it's saved in your drive, you can then put it on your website as well. And it's It's pretty simple, and next time I'll give you a video just reminding you how to embed documents and things like that on your website. So I hope that helps.